Welcome, let's talk about Luna, and how you can turn $100 into $14,000 by 2028. That is 5 years and a half. Now, according to data, according to statistics, based on some crypto experts who have actually analyzed Luna, they have come out to say that one with $100 investment on Luna can earn about $14,000 in 2028. One with $100 investment can earn about $14,000 in 2028. Now, based on this calculation, it simply means that Luna Classic by 2028 they expected Luna Classic to reach 2 cents. Yes, because from now till when Luna Classic will reach 1 cent is about 7,000%. So I believe 2 cents will definitely be returning almost $14,000, which is a $100 investment will return $14,000. But Luna have to achieve this with great bonds. Luna need to achieve this burning over 4 trillion based on burning or based on staking, whatever. Just that the circulating supply and the supply of technology need to drop. Okay, they need to burn and destroy about 4 trillion in order to even hit maybe 2 cents to 10 cents. And they need to destroy almost all the supply, leaving just 10 billion coins for Luna Classic to have the hope of reaching $1. Well, based on that statistics, that in 2028, which is 5 years and a half, that the Luna Classic is expected to reach, with $100 investment, to reach $14,000. If this happens, so many people will make a lot of money, because even if you have just $1, you will still be making a lot of money, because 10 is about $1,400. So 1 should be around $140. So you are investing $1, just $1, and you are gaining $140. So by the time you invest $50, you should be talking about $7,000, and $1,000 will be returning $140,000. Is this possible? Yes, it is definitely possible. In crypto industry, everything is possible. In crypto industry, anything can happen. That is the truth. Be it positive, be it negative, always expect the best. Always expect anything, anytime. Always expect a breaking news, a shock, a news that might, that is crypto industry for you. I believe that if you are investing, be it on crypto industry or in any business, you need to research, then put in money that no matter what happens, you can still go on. You move on. Okay, so try to invest, try to spray your money, crypto, real estate, buying things online that can return good amount of profit. One thing I always encourage people is that there are so many businesses online one can go into. If you are the type that have a lot of money to invest online, do not invest 100% or even 80% into crypto industry. You should be thinking about putting in your investment into crypto industry, into stock exchange. You can buy shares with companies that are doing well. Take a look at the history. For example, iPhones. Okay, Apple. The value of shares, those that bought shares on Apple as of 10 years ago, a lot of them are making a lot of money. So look at the history, look at how companies have been growing, how companies have been profiting. Look for the best companies. You can buy shares on these companies. That is one of the most important things. So divide your money. You can also go into land, real estate, buy lands. If you buy land in a good area, definitely the value of the land will be increasing every day. You keep on making good profit from your land sales every day. So land is one of the value things you should also go into. You can also go to e-commerce. So for me, like I said, this is just an advice. Remember, this is not a financial advice. So please, thank you for stopping by. Once again, thank you.